We'll guide you through how to enable MMS on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. MMS stands for Multimedia Messaging Service, and with enabled, you can then go and send multimedia to non-Apple devices, like photos, videos, etc. It relies on your plan rather than Wi-Fi, and it will go and show as green text bubbles. So to get started, you don't go into messages, you actually go and open up your settings. Then you go and scroll down and find the option at the bottom for apps. Then in apps, you need to go and scroll down and we need to go and find the option for M. This is alphabetical. And then in M, you can go and find messages. You can even go and search messages at the bottom and tap there. Now, what we need to do is go and scroll down. And in text messaging, you need to go and find MMS messaging. And what you want to do is go and switch it on like so. So that means it's now enabled.